Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I wanted to go over our stainless steel VH900. This machine has an internal workspace of 36 by 24 by 30 and a footprint of 40 by 36 by 68. It holds 24 gallons of water and 34 pounds of abrasive media. This machine inherently comes in 110, but for a $300 add-on, we can convert it to a 220 if needed. This machine can come open loop or closed loop. The closed loop system sits at the back of the machine. This is going to be a great option for shop setups that are limited on space because it does have a front loading door and it is compact in its size compared to our other industrial grade stainless steel units. This machine also comes with some great upgraded features like the window wiper, windshield rinse, precision regulator, the automatic overflow valve at the back of the machine, 2 internal LED strip lights, and an internal rinse nozzle to rinse off your part after washing. And keep in mind that the VH900 comes in an automatic tumble system as well, which is ideal for smaller components that you want to have vapor honed on its own while you walk away. The stainless steel basket in the tumble system rotates automatically in order to ensure even blasting on your smaller components. The spinning can be adjusted for as quick or as slow as you need. This machine can use many different kinds of abrasive media based on what finish you're looking to achieve. This particular unit contains soda. You can use glass bead, aluminum oxide, all the way up to silicon carbide, depending on what you're doing. And if you're not sure what works for you, feel free to contact us so we can do some free application testing for you. If you want to send in a sample, we can do time testing with different media to find what works perfectly for you. More information on this unit can be found on our website. You can also call us in directly at 828-202-5563. Thanks.